So here I'm going to have them participate on chat. I'm going to have them do a chat wait. This is a great activity to gauge understanding, but also making everybody accountable for participation. A chat wait is when all students open up their chat box. You give them a question, they reply to the question in the chat box, but nobody presses enter. So you chat and then you wait. And then you give everybody a chance to enter in their answer. And then when you're ready, you maybe do a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then everybody presses the enter and all of the responses populate in the chat box. And then everybody can see everybody else's answers. You as the instructor, you can see, okay, who's on the right track, who needs a little bit more help. So it's kind of like the equivalent of asking everybody, to answer a question. The great thing about the chat and wait is that the other students can't see their peers' answers. So everybody's response is individual and unique. So these are the instructions that I'm telling my students, and they can also read them at the same time. And then here is my chat wait question. What is your favorite space movie? So now everybody's going to open up their chat box. Everybody's going to type in the name of their favorite space movie. They're going to wait. And then when I say go, everybody's going to press enter, and then we're going to look at the list of all of the different favorite space movies. So everybody has participated within just a few minutes of the class starting.